Hey yo, this is Dash, and today you're joining me at the range before we open. So, today I'm going to be shooting, this is a used Walther PDP F. Hey yo, this is Dash. Welcome to the channel.
I'm Dash, off the
He's
grill.
a mechanic
I'm a
expert.
mechanic fanatic.
I'm not perfect, I'm not a sniper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get to work. If you're unfamiliar, the Walther PDP F, and I can show you YouTube police, I am in a safe environment. I am in a range where I work, and I'm going to be testing out and just firing this firearm because it was in the used case, and I want to try it out. So I have a YouTube compliant 10+8 round mag. We're using a Walther PDP F series, and this is a used firearm. This is a pretty decent example of this particular used firearm. It looks like whoever cleaned it up pretty good, and they seem to have put in a Walther performance trigger in it. This one is listed for $650 hairs. So if you want to come in and pick it up, if it's not already gone, feel free. It is optic ready. It is slightly thinner than the regular Walther PDPs, and it has a, I believe this is like a 3 or 3.5 inch barrel, and it is a double stack, so we are looking pretty good. So I'm gonna take this one mag that I have, I'm gonna load it up, and we're just gonna shoot it. I guess I have a bone to pick with YouTube. Dear YouTube, what do I have to do in order to have my videos be monetized? I am only doing these videos for educational and entertainment purposes. I'm not doing anything nefarious. I'm not doing anything crazy. I am always in a safe environment, and I am always only performing modifications to either maintain. All right, so this is a YouTube compliant actual 11 round mag. So, but why can't my videos be 100% monetized? I seem to have a problem with that, and it's not, it's not cool. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot this. I'm gonna stop talking, and we're going to see what it does. All right, let's see, first impressions. Oh yeah. Oh, damn it. I forgot to press record on the on the camera downrange. All right. All right. So, pretty good. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. I like it, actually. Let's see here. The trigger on this is pretty phenomenal. So if you are aware, Mechanic is actually a derivative or a clone of Walther. And this trigger reminds me of a Mechanic trigger. Let's see, that was 9. Actually, we'll just keep that there. All right, let's see here. Lock it in. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. I like this thing. So one of the advantages of the Walther PDP F is that the F is actually designated for female. It has a slightly thinner grip. Now it's not single stack grip width. It is kind of like a 1.5 stack width, and it's pretty phenomenal. So, oops, I like it. I like it actually. I've always liked the Walthers, and I've always liked this Walther PDP F. Oh, wait, let's see. Oh. Ooh. Cover those up. All right, let's see here. I don't know why it didn't lock back, but I like this thing. This is just a random. So, do you guys or have you guys ever shot the Walther PDP F? Do you own a Walther PDP F? And I'm gonna say, would you carry? But a lot of women come in and have purchased this guy because it checks all the boxes for like a Goldilocks female hand. But let's see here. All right. Feels good in the hand. It actually has a decent texture on it. And I'm just gonna dump this one. I don't know why we didn't lock back, but it is in fact empty. It's probably just me, the way I'm gripping it. What? But not bad. All right, I have 5 shots left, and I'm shooting at 21 feet. That's pretty much my go-to distance. But I'm going to present this, and I'm going to try and get. I guess it's me and how I'm holding it.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
As to why I am not, it's not locking back. But definitely recommend, if you haven't or are in the market, haven't got one, or if you're in the market for a Walther PDP F, come on down to Cindy's Hot Shots in Glen Brady, Maryland. We have a fine example, as you just saw, for sale. Come and get it before I do. Thank you so very much, as always, for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me some feedback down below. Anyway, I'll see you next time.